Ja, ich möchte mal ganz kurz was sagen. Vielen Dank an den Herrn
So here I'm
liebe Gemeinde. Schön,
speaking
dass
in
Sie
Deutsche
da
and
sind.
German,
Vielen
and
Dank
I'm
an die
explaining or trying
da sein
to
dürfen.
explain to
Zu
the
spielen. Wir sind
audience
das Ensemble
that
Sound of Water und
we
was wir
don't
machen
have
ist komplett improvisierte
prefabricated
Musik. Das heißt,
compositions,
keins
that we
unserer Stücke
gonna
gleicht
go
dem
on
anderen.
stage
Wenn
and
wir einen Auftritt machen wie diesen, dann begeben wir uns
call
in den
it
Raum, gehen in
resonance.
Resonanz miteinander und mit Ihnen, dem Publikum,
It's like being in
und schauen mal, was
resonance
dabei rauskommt.
with each other, with the audience, being in resonance with yourself. And then see what happens. See what wants to be expressed. And over the years of life, I've come to the conclusion that the less full that I am, so the more empty that I make myself, the better my expression is. Actually, the better life is. Just think about it. All that is in our heads all the time, all those thoughts, the expectations. This is true in the field of music, but I think it's also true for our lives, the way we live our relationships. So at this point in the performance, there's a bit of a void happening, or like a question mark. Where are we going? The instruments are playing and I'm hitting the singing bowl. And I remember feeling that void inside. And often this is before an inspiration comes. And then I just start singing. It's like a release when everything else is pushed aside. And soon Peter and Sandy are gonna join me. So suddenly these words came to me. I hear you go. I can't tell you if they have a deeper meaning, but somehow it inspired the others to join me. All three of us were singing in harmony. This is not premeditated. This just happened. This just happened. Sandy is quoting Rumi, the brilliant sun that shines in every heart. At that point, I felt like walking over to the piano. I just followed the impulse. Isn't there this wonderful story where there's like say a Tibetan master and the young disciple or the young monk comes and says, "Instruct me, master, with the truths, the truth." And the master says, "Let's have a cup of tea first." And the master pours the tea, and he pours it first into the cup of the young person in front of him. And he just keeps pouring until the cup overflows. And the young disciple-to-be says, "Master, stop. The cup is overflowing. You can't fit in anymore." And then the master says, "See, that's you. Your cup is full. How can I pour any wisdom in it?" This is a well-known story. I've heard it a lot. But if you think about it, it's true, isn't it? This openness of a child to learn is something very valuable. And that's why the improvisation, the instant composition, is very valuable to me. Because at that point, we all have to be open to ourselves, open to the others, and be receptive, be instruments. And then something quite beautiful can happen.